Morning guys, May 16th, 2023. This one here I got a call for an AC unit. Said I was there a couple of years ago and she said it's not cooling like it used to, so you know what that means. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and give it the old how you doing, see what's going on with it. We'll figure out what's going on. It's right around 70 degrees right now, so we'll run it and check the charge. Might be a leaker. I don't know, Molly, what are you thinking? Who knows? Said she ran it for 2 days and it wasn't cool, and I said that's not good. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. 58. I made sure the registers were open. Last time I was here, she had all the registers closed. It's probably low on juice. Not a 22 unit for sure. 58 wet bulb. Go leaker. Yeah, I think last time I was here I put these caps on it because it was been a couple of years since I've been here. Last time she had all the registers closed. Don't need a douche, mama. I need a doucheroo. Got 35 there, see it? But too low. That's gotta be above 60 on the suction. I gotta get some gas. See that superheat, how high it is? No good. It was 10-1-3. We'll give it some how you doing. 22 you can put in as a gas. Alright, so we're 58. Wet bulb. We're about 70 out, so about 13 degrees superheat is all we need. Our superheat wants to be about 13. We're putting gas in it now. We're going to bring this up above 60. Suction line, she's not sweating, wants to be sweaty. Then with ice like this. So right now we're putting gas in it. It's R22. R22 is going to be above 60 on the suction. You know, once we shut everything off. This wants to come out nice and warm, which is starting to get better now. Something like that. Superheat should start dropping now. That should start coming down, that superheat. It's got a piston, so you gotta set it by superheat. It doesn't have a TXV. This is an older system. A leaker. She's a leaker, mama, she's a leaker. Keep an eye on this suction line coming back. When it starts dropping, we know we're starting to get close on the charge. this starts coming down. Keep an eye on this suction line coming back. If it starts dropping, we know our charge is starting to come back on the suction. Start dropping here on our suction line, see it? We'll shut it off and see what happens, let it stabilize. And put more in it. Some more. How you doing, Mama? Wake up. Wake up. Couple of years since I've been here, she said. Needs a new system, obviously. Superheat's around 15. What did we say we want it to be? Said we were 58 in the wet bulb, 70 outside, so right around 13. So see, we're close there at the 15 mark. 65, we're above 60 on the suction for 22. Probably still drop a little bit because I just. Going to be close right there because it's a leaker, you know. So we're 13 on the superheat, set it because it's a piston. Our suction's right around 67. That's above 60. We're good with that. Subcooling's a little high. I mean, it's just an old unit. You see, this isn't dropping. That coil was iced up. This would be dropping. So we're good there. As good as it's gonna get right there, Mama. As good as it's gonna get. On the superheat, 67 on the suction. Subcooling's a little high, but I wouldn't worry about that. As good as it's gonna get right there. See, this is starting to sweat a little bit. That's what we want to see. We want it to get a little on the sweaty side, Mama. Am I going to try to find the leak? No, I'm not going to. She needs a new system. Needs a new system. Little waker. Little waker. Alright, so what do we got there? That's right around 11. 3.5 pounds.